Hey guys, I don't know how well you can see me. The sun's blinding me. So I said I was going to do a bee video, and so that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm in Jalisco, Mexico. Show you the surroundings here. I know I should have gloves on. I'm just going to keep my hands in my pocket. And we're in a cornfield, and I'm going to go show you the beehives. So there's some of them right there. My husband and brother-in-law are over there. I just heard something. Okay, I'm scared of snakes. Okay, I'm going back to the truck. I don't have the right gloves. I really want to take a drink of my stuff and I can't. I don't know. I'll keep looking for gloves because I want to get close. Dang it. A lot of buzzing going on. Oh. I don't have the proper gloves, but I'm just being brave. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try to get close so you can hear the buzzing. Box is like buzzing like crazy. I'm scared to get close, but I want you guys to hear. They're so beautiful, but so scary. And so loud. I hope you can hear that.
Beautiful country. Oh my gosh, a bee! There's a bee! Okay.
I know I'm protected, but when they're buzzing that close to your ear, it's a little intimidating. Oh my gosh. I'm having fun trying to walk in these boots because I can't wear flip-flops. Okay, we are at another location, and I guess today is pretty much just maintenance of the beehives, so I don't think that we're going to be harvesting any honey today or any honeycomb. Probably next time. But there still is some back at the house from the last harvest, so I'm probably going to work with that a little bit. Anyway, I'm not getting out of the truck this time because to put on all that equipment, and I mean just the mask thingy, but then like the sweater and everything and the gloves, and it's really hot here, so I don't feel like suffocating even though the windows are up in the truck. It's really hot. But I don't know, maybe I'll take a walk down the road. It looks cute down there. So yeah, I don't know yet. I haven't decided. Okay, I decided that I'm not going to get out of the truck and take a walk down that cute little road because I can see bees outside. But I see lime trees. I want some limes. Anyway, So I know that this video isn't all that exciting because we're not doing like the whole process or whatever, but hopefully when I get back I'll have some time to maybe work with what's at the house. So thanks for watching. Bye.